Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Crypto Lifestyle. The lifestyle where your money works for you instead of you working for that money. Now, guys, since I did that video on Horsecoin, everybody is asking me, how do you use Idex? I want to get some. I mean, the coin is actually about 15 cents right now. Alright, see, 15 cents right now. So you guys are getting a far better deal than I did. Obviously, you know, the markets are having this pullback and it's a slow recovery. So yeah, you guys could get it really cheap for 15 cents, 15.8, going on to 16 cents soon. So this video is solely on how to use Idex. But before we go on any further, can you please give me that thumbs up if you appreciate my my uploads and the information I'm trying to provide to my people, my lovely subscribers that I love so dearly. So yeah, let's get right into it, guys. How do we use Idex and how could I purchase some horse coins? Let's go get it.
Hey, I got a question for you.
I'm on the daily grind. I'm taking care of work. I'm getting paid today. I'm doing things to make it right.
Is your money working for you, or are you working for money?
It's the life I lead.
Okay, guys, so basically the way I go about it is I merge or sync in my ledger. So I have a hardware wallet. I got the Ledger Blue. It doesn't matter if it's the Blue or if it's the S. Either one would work. It does the job. In my opinion, the S, the USB stick one, it actually supports a little bit more altcoins. So that one is a little bit better in my opinion, such as Neo. But anyways, so guys, what you would do is you would choose to log in via your Ledger, right? And then from there now, you could only purchase these coins because these coins are only ERC20 coins. So you can purchase these coins only with Ethereum, not Bitcoin, right? So it works a little bit different in that regard in terms of what currency. So let us actually go to here. So what you would do is, you know, I highly recommend everybody use a ledger. Your private keys, you could click phishing links. Hackers could gain access to your information, your private keys, log into your MyEther wallet, and then you're screwed. Okay, so this is why I love the hardware wallets. So once your hardware wallet is synced in, right, you choose that and you sync it in to log into your Idex. You will come to balances over here, click full balances, right, and search by assets. So you would go to Ethereum, and when you put in ETHER, I mean, it's a bunch of other stuff that comes up, as you can see here: Elite, Elunch, Elliott, EMV, Energy. So just look for Ethereum, and it's under right here. Where is it? ETHER, Ether. So ETH. Okay. So right now, this is like pretty much my gas. My gas balance is what it is. So I got 0.36 Ethereum. Strictly for gas. This is an example. So what you would do from there, guys, you would just click deposit. But I don't want to deposit, right? Because, I mean, I just want to keep that in my wallet. That's not for purchasing purposes. You click deposit, right? And you just follow the basic instructions, how much you want to deposit. See, send amount, how much, you know. So, look, the minimum right here is 150, right? So 0.3 is probably, yeah, I got more than that. That's about 300 or something like that there. How much GWE you want. Don't put a high GWE, because I mean, only if you think the coin's like on the rise or something, you want to get your Ethereum in there faster, you don't want to miss out on an opportunity, okay, sure thing, go ahead. But you know, anything GWE around, I don't know, man, 30, 40, 50, I mean, that's enough. Okay, guys, so trade min is 150 USD worth of Ethereum. Okay, minimum withdrawal is 40, whatever, you don't need to know that now. Okay, as long as you're sending more than $150 worth, you're good. So now say you send 0.5 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum, what have you, all of a sudden you would see your Ethereum balance. Obviously it will go up to 1, right? So from there, guys, we will go to the exchange. Okay, so let me just click that. It might take some time for it to populate. Okay, there we go. And what coin do you want? Or what coin are you interested in? Okay, say you want horse. Horse is selling for 15 cents. So you click horse. And just like any other exchange, it gets really basic here now. You got the buy orders, you got the sell orders. And you scroll down here. And that's it, right? Okay, how much horse do you want to buy? Before we go on, let me see. Yeah, okay, now I'll show you guys that after. Just want to show you guys my balance for horse. I did buy it, so I wanted to just provide an example for you. So yeah, you come to the buy orders, you plug in how much you want, just like we normally do with any other exchange like Bittrex or Binance, and then you press buy. From there, okay, over here in your Idex balance, let me go here, full balances. Once you purchase it, it will reflect right here. So as you can see, You know, I got, what was it, this amount of horse, 17,191, and in my Ether wallet I put 190. I was just testing it. So there we go. My Ether wallet is right here, guys. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is very, I mean, the text is very small. So here we go, horse 190. I got my icons 5,000 there, and just other things that I keep here in my my Ether wallet that is synced in with my Ledger wallet, right? And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, this is Ether Delta, so this is another true decentralized exchange that works via smart contracts, and it is hideous. I can't stand this site. I never would want to use it. Even if I can make 10, 20, 30 grand, it's just an eyesore. So like my buddy says, it's like an Atari game, so I will just take that off. In my opinion, I definitely would recommend Idex to anybody looking for undervalued coins before they hit major exchanges. This is where you could find some coins that are you know, immensely undervalued, and you know, once they get adopted by the masses via, you know, hit BTC and then it goes to Binance, they tend to go up more in value because the trading volume has increased, and that tends to have a positive effect on the actual coin's value as well. I hope this was helpful. I hope I'm not missing out anything. I don't think I'm missing out anything. That is pretty much it, guys. I mean, and you know, your coins are very safe here on this smart contract true decentralized exchange, Idex. I highly recommend you guys come here and go coin hunting. You can find some real nice gems, guys. So that's all I got for you. I hope this was helpful. Join any one of my Telegram chats and I could go in a little bit more further detail, and any other information you guys would like to know, let me know. It's your boy, the Crypto Lifestyle. I'm signing out. I got a huge video that's in the works and I want to present to everybody, so stay tuned. You do not want to miss that. So until that next video, you're on your own. Later.
I'm a Bitcoin baron, I'm scaring the status quo. Got that crypto going at that foul upload. And the algorithm gon' get him a deal.